thank you to my mother-in-law for my Christmas t-shirt. Hi folks, at long last today we're going to get some trees cut up. Honestly, really? I've only just got it out. Right, just the stuff in the wheelbarrow needs to go in the transport box. I'll have it. What happened? You can use your hand throttle to speed up a bit. I'm not sure how much of this we're going to get done. It's not really a family activity, but hey ho. We're going to limb the couple of trees that have fallen here, cut them into rounds, take them back up, and then they can be split in a future episode, future day. Girls, you alright to give me a hand just getting all these in the back?
bang that one. Oh, it's another one, Rosa. Rosa, you're doing a great job.
Hey, nice logs there, Rosa. It's like a little flag, that one.
Squeeze them down there in that hole.
Beats the wheelbarrow, eh? There we go, another job done. There are a total of probably about 10 trees minimum that are down there that need that treatment. Some big, some small, some stuck. So the grabber and the bucket, it is going to come into its own with these trees, I'm sure of it. It's just getting the technique right and getting under, so because it's basically needing to scoop and grab. It's not like an actual forestry machine where you're squeezing onto it. But if you imagine the diameter of a tree between here and here, it will grab, even if it's just to pull it out and reposition. I think it's definitely the way to go, and it's going to be a much safer way than trying to prop things all the time. Eden and I did make the stupid mistake just now of manually unloading the tipping transport box. There was a chainsaw in the bottom of it, so probably shouldn't have tipped it anyway, but tomorrow we'll get better at tipping. Well folks, that's chores done for another day. Tomorrow we're going to be tackling this concrete slab, I think, where it's all broken up, big old holes, and that's what's gathering all the silt in the water. We're going to also install a silt trap up there. Chickens are all settled in now. Not sure if that made this video or the previous video, but we're cracking on with it, and soon, very soon, we can start the cabin build, subject to chassis. We've got a bunch of options there. I think we're going to go ahead with another order. Fingers crossed they're not crooks as well. This, as you can see behind me, is our bunches of trusses for the pitched end, and then the glue lamp for the other end. All the wall sections can be, well, we can take the gamble that things are going to turn up and we can make a start on those. But I would prefer, if possible, to get the floor deck down and build everything on top of that. Finally, thank you to my mother-in-law for my Christmas t-shirt. At least now it's not all just talk. Jo's pretty adamant that she wants to start cutting grass tomorrow with the tractor, so who knows, that might happen too. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you can, do it yourself, and we'll see you next time.